So I'm back and I want to do a soap and lather test, and I'm testing the two of these. So this is the lavender goat milk with lavender essential oil, and then this is the pink Himalayan sea salt one. This one is brine. It has sea salt in it, and then this one here is the sea salt and lily with the pink Himalayan salt in it. So I just want to do the difference between the two of them, if there is one. It smells beautiful. It's definitely held its scent really nicely, and then the sea salt and lily always makes me think of the beach and in the outdoors, nice sunny beach. So I really love that. Both of these scents are just beautiful. So let's do the lather test, and I'll bring you in closer to do that. Alright, so let's do the lavender one first. I'm just going to wet it a little bit. I'm in the shop, so you might hear a little bit of noise. The mail truck backing up. You might not even hear it. Oh, it's really nice and smooth. Feels really nice in my hands. Very soft and moisturizing. And it does have a little bit of lather. So it's not super rough on the skin. I don't even feel any roughness at all. It has a little bit, it's not a big lather one, just like the other salty soaps. So it has mild lather, little bubbles. It smells beautiful. The rinse is really nice. Alright, so the next one I want to try is the sea salt and lily one, so let's do that. I've been waiting to try these for a little while. I have to wait for them to cure. And this has that pink Himalayan, and it's not abrasive at all. You would think that it would be, but it's not abrasive. So it's really nice. It's very small bubbles, so it doesn't have a lot of layer, and that's because of the coconut oil. And I'm getting a little bit more bubbles probably because of the embed right here. So this one doesn't have the embed, but this does, and this is made with the palm, coconut, and olive oil. So that adds to the lather. Nice little bubbles. Let me add a little bit more water. Oh, it's really nice. Smells beautiful. So this one's definitely more sudsy, and I think it's because of that. So that is a key component to this. So this one has more bubbles. That's because of that soap. So they both smell really nice. It's not abrasive. I thought it would be with a pink Himalayan, but it's really a fine salt that I use, super fine. It has maybe a little teeny bit more exfoliation properties than this here. So let's just try this one more time. Just rinse it off. It smells so good. I can't wait to try these in the shower. So we just try it without. Yeah, it really does make a difference having the other, the embed. So that's what I'm getting right here. So I still lathering up pretty well. That's really nice and silky. It smells beautiful. Love the lavender scent. So yeah, so it's pretty equal. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed this video, and it does help to show you the lather